2, 1.
3, 2, 1. Hey everybody, it's Maria. Oh my gosh, my hair is like a wind tunnel. Maria, and who's this?
Kai.
Kai. And what are we gonna make?
Square lasagna.
Square lasagna, just like who?
Garfield.
Garfield. Kai loves Garfield. I used to love Garfield, and Garfield loves lasagna. And so yes, you can have lasagna on a keto diet. This recipe of mine, I wrote way before this guy was even born. It's on my blog, mariamindbodyhealth.com. It's the protein noodle lasagna. And it is a hit for even people that don't even like or know what keto is, right? We are going to use little pieces of organic deli meat. Looks just like a noodle, right? So I have everything ready. Let me grab this, buddy. We have our meat sauce. And everybody does their lasagna a little bit different. I'm gonna start with a layer of meat sauce. So Kai, here, I'm gonna give you this scooper. And whenever I do this recipe, I'm gonna tell you something. I do like 4 pans because I put 3 of them in the freezer. Dude, let's get this going, man. You're awesome. Scoop it in there. He wants to be on camera. So put that right into the pan and spread it out, right? Here, I'll spread it with this. So we're gonna do a layer of meat sauce. Again, everybody does it different. If you start with cottage cheese, your cottage cheese. Now, I have a great homemade ricotta cheese recipe, and I make mine a little bit different so it lowers the carbohydrates, but it's still, I think it tastes even better because I use a little bit of heavy cream in it versus all whole milk.
Not this one.
No, okay, all right, put it right on in there. Again, you know, I just like cooking with my kids. Some people are like, you know, you should do more of a professional video. That's not how I roll, you know? It's all casual in the house. So we have some meat sauce. And yeah, I use this, I do a big pot of that because then I can make spaghetti, and all of that type of stuff. So we have our meat sauce layer. Perfect, perfect. Maybe do one more in this pan. So we're doing 2 pans. Oh, we might run out of meat sauce because we've been eating it. Okay, that's good. So now we're gonna do a layer of some ricotta, okay? So
yeah, like always.
Layer of ricotta, and then just spread that out. This is gonna be square lasagna. You know how Garfield stacks is sometimes?
Yeah.
Tell me more about Garfield. Does he dream about lasagna? Tell everybody.
Last time he was dreaming about, he dreamed, and John Arbuckle, he said, I don't know what to cook. He said, I'm gonna cook infant lasagna.
He's gonna dream about lasagna, instant lasagna. We just watched the movie. It was pretty funny.
Yeah.
Didn't we?
Yeah.
Family night. Now we're gonna do shredded mozzarella cheese. You wanna reach some? Throw some in there. Do a nice big layer because this is gonna make it be like a nice square, okay? And then you use, you can get really any kind, Applegate Farms deli meat if you want to. And we're just gonna start layering this. I have a ton of deli meat, Kai, so do some more cheese, baby.
Right
And
here.
this is just like a noodle, right? But this is even easier than making the lasagna because I don't have to boil the noodles. I just did a book signing at a really great place in Indianapolis. Indianapolis is so nice. Nook Paleo. It was really, really fun, and they made me lasagna, and I thought that was really, really sweet of them. So now we're gonna layer that. So here, you take this and make a layer, okay?
Okay.
And then I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do another layer of meat sauce, so I have 2 layers. Now, 3 of my pans usually go in the freezer, and I have a delay timer. Oh, I should show you what's in my oven already. It's my keto bread, because we're gonna have garlic bread with the lasagna, right?
And also, on Garfield's show, he loves every pie.
He loves every kind of pie. What's
Yeah.
his favorite? I don't even know. Should we try making it? Here's some more meat.
He smelled it like from a mile away.
Oh, he smells pie from like a mile away?
Yeah, and that's it. He said the boot of bulldog a doom.
Oh boy.
And then made like a
He can talk all day. You are a funny man, aren't you?
Yeah.
So search mariamindbodyhealth.com protein noodle lasagna. Bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye.